Transifex AI automates translation with AI speed and quality you can measure, control, and trust. Here's how it works. Go to your project and click Translate to open the Transifex editor. Then select any string and hit the AI button. Your translation appears instantly alongside a TQI score. That's the Translation Quality Index, a real time quality estimate based on accuracy, structure, and consistency. Select multiple strings or your entire project and hit Translate with AI. Transifex handles the whole batch at once. Just name your batch translation task and follow the next steps. Transifex AI will use your style guides, translation memory, and glossaries to create on brand, context specific translations. Once they are generated, head back to your project to review or edit. There, you can use the TQI filter to easily uncover issues that need your attention. Choose the TQI threshold you want to apply. This will pull up all the strings based on your criteria. You can then click into any string, and on the TQI box on the right, you'll see exactly why it scored the way it did, what's right, what's off, and alternative variants you can swap in if needed. This way, TQI enables you to identify what actually needs human eyes and suggests an instant fix. But that's not all. With Transifex, you can set up truly continuous AI powered workflows where AI translates automatically as soon as new content comes in. To set up an AI workflow, head to your project settings and select the workflow option. This is the place where you customize all your automated workflows. Here, you can enable AI and machine translation fill up to automate translations across all languages with Transifex AI, and you can also set it to exclude any specific language pairs, giving you full control to choose where automation should be applied. Once you've enabled AI fill up, you can scroll down to set a TQI threshold to auto review any translation that meets your quality standard. And to make sure AI translations remain accurate and relevant, you can always update your style guides by heading to your organization settings. Click on AI settings and select Style Guides for AI. There, you can edit or delete your existing guides. If you want to add a new one, just hit the Add AI Style Guide button, fill out the required fields, and click Save.